know if you got a jacuzzi, got one of these like me, or you just have a portable shed for whatever reason. But show you, I'm gonna put a link. This tarp, some tape the same color, some twine, and so you want to put it on. You're gonna need 2 people to fix your roof. Because you see it was shredded. They do it in like 2-3 years probably. Shred, and it's $179 to buy a new tarp from them that fits it. So this was $20. Some duct tape, or were they $3.50 each? Bought 2 rolls to be sure. So you need 2 people, and maybe a third. Have them stick it up on top, and the 2 walk down the side. You stretch it. This is a 10x10. Fit this 10x10 thing. You got 10x10 to fit. Weird. 10x10 here and 10x10 over here. It worked. So you tape it as you go so it holds it, and then leave it anyway, just as any extra help holds. And then take some twine from here, up around, go down. If you want, you can do multiple times to make it stronger. And then it gives you a little bit of a tightness on the roof on top of it. And then you want to, after go down with these high reinforced links, and you want to go a few times around. And just keep looping around. And then you want to hold the tightness. Tie some square knots. You can do some Palomars, or anything you want, fancy. I'm just doing regular old square knots. They work. They get things done. And you need at least 2 people, like I said, to need full tightness and keep it up. You see, mine's gonna hang a little, so suck when the wind comes. If you have 3 people, maybe 4, you can keep it tight the whole time while you're working. Here's the first recommendation though. See my face? Don't do it when it's 80 degrees outside. I am melting. It's hot in here. Jacuzzi in here heating up. On top of it's hot anyway. This is some twine, some stuff, and there you go. And got it together nicely. We're not finished up. Do 1 more just for good measure, and then just some scissors. Thought, well, the boss thought of it is, if you got one of these, like they were $200 something, and now you guys spend $179, almost the cost of it. It was like $220, $179 to get a new tarp. You're like, how can I do this without spending a lot of money? Because I ain't got it right now. Got to pay the groceries and $100 million right now. So $20 plus $3.50 each roll. I bought 2 rolls of that. I had twine, but I'll put a link to a big roll of twine. Should hold up. Might want to use nylon type rope. This is waterproof, but this should stop the water. But sometimes if you touch it a tarp, it kind of condensates through, and that might go. So we're gonna get some probably some nylon rope later and add it in. So hope you like this idea. Hope it helps you. If it does, please like and subscribe. It helps during these times, because I really didn't think I'd be here while I had to back in the old days of poor again as we get old, but that's the world now. We're all going to be poor soon. So, if you liked it, like I said, please subscribe. Every little bit helps during these times. As always, I'm RJ. Seize the day each and every day. Bye-bye.